Welcome to Gyana Mudra Vidya Mandir, a place where education begins with strong values and grows with excellence. We are proud to be the first school recognized for the ICSE syllabus in Malvalli and Maddur Taluk, setting a new benchmark in quality education and holistic development. Our well-organized school transport ensures comfortable and secure travel for students. From the very beginning, discipline is instilled as students walk in neat lines, learning responsibility and respect. Our Montessori program focuses on experiential learning, where children learn by observing, exploring, and doing through hands-on activities. Play is an essential part of early learning, and our spacious play area with swings, sliding carts, and engaging equipment helps develop physical strength, coordination, and social skills. Inside our classrooms, learning is interactive and student-centered. Through storytelling activities, children improve listening skills, imagination, confidence, and expression. Montessori math activities use specially designed materials that help children identify numbers, letters, shapes, and objects, laying a strong foundation for numeracy and literacy. Discipline is practiced not only in academics but also in daily routines. Interactive classrooms encourage students to ask questions, participate actively, and learn with joy and confidence. As students progress to higher grades, learning becomes more structured and explorative. Through activity-based learning, students understand concepts through hands-on experiences. Activities such as storytelling and story enactment build confidence, communication, and creativity, while fun, game-based math learning strengthens logical thinking and problem-solving skills. For higher grades, classroom learning is guided by modern and well-structured curriculum designed to keep pace with current technology and evolving educational needs. Our excellent, well-trained teaching staff create interactive learning environments and encourage students through project-based, experiential, and inquiry-based learning approaches that promote deeper understanding. Our school is well-equipped with dedicated biology, chemistry, and physics laboratories for higher-grade students. Through practical laboratory sessions, students explore concepts using models, experiments, and hands-on activities that connect theory with real-world understanding. These lab experiences encourage scientific thinking, improve observation and analytical skills, and build curiosity, confidence, and a deeper interest in learning through experimentation. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, we are committed to the wholesome development of every student, fostering confidence, curiosity, and essential skills for future success.